Okay, so moving on to the next question. So next question will be, you have to check for the palindrome, and you have to create a function in a dart that checks if a given string is palindrome or not. Okay, avoid the spaces and punctuation in cases as well. So this is the function you have to create, which will return true or false, and this with the expected results. So first I'm going to do what is, like, first normalize the string. As you can see, there are multiple spaces and special character present in the above string. So how we can do, first I will do it in a lowercase. Okay, then I'm going to replace all with, I'm going to use the regex here, a simple regex from z to 09, I think, and this will be the regex. Okay, it will be replaced by space. One bracket for his, did I have something wrong? Two argument will be replaced. Okay, okay, okay. One will be this thing, and second will be this thing. First, let me do something like this thing, and it will be the minus one is equal to space. Okay, I think I have done something wrong over here. From my side, it will be thing, I guess, right? Mm, okay, maybe a spaces error that I have done. Second will be the, I'm going to get the length for this normalized string. I'm going to use the length function over here. Next, I'm going to create one loop over here, which will start from int 0 till the normalized length. You can say length tilt. If you don't understand why I have used this tilt function over here, let me write this thing first. I will explain it in a very good way. So first normalized int, first will be the zero index, which will be the starting index of it. So for the starting index, I'm going to use the I function over here. If it is not equal to our last index, so how we are going to find the last index? From the len I 1 plus 1 minus I. So this will be the last index of our normalized string. If it is true, then we are going to return false. Once our loop is completely over, then we are going to return true. Okay, so let's see if it is working or not. uh, as you can see, for the first condition it is returning true, and for the second condition it is returning false as expected. So let me explain in a more way, and one more thing I wanted to explain, why have we used this bitwise operator over here. As you can see, our length can be odd and even as well. Okay, for example, in some cases, let's say length will be odd, and let me print divide this thing. As you can see, our land will be the 21, which is the odd number, and it is giving the 10.5 value. So it should be not in condition while running a loop, so it has to be round off. So that's why I have used the string function. As you can see, it is now printing the 10 value. I hope you understand this question very well. So thanks for watching.